563 species in genus Helichrysum. Helichrysum, the golden flower's many wonders. For years, I've been fascinated by the natural world and the hidden potential of plants. Recently, Helichrysum, also known as the immortelle or everlasting flower, has captured my curiosity. This sun-loving plant, with its papery petals and vibrant hues, boasts not only beauty but also a treasure trove of potential benefits. Let's delve into the world of Helichrysum and explore its many wonders. What is Helichrysum? Helichrysum is a genus of flowering plants within the Asteraceae family. These sun worshippers hail from various regions like the Mediterranean, Africa, and Australia. Known for their papery, star-shaped flowers that retain their color even after drying, Helichrysum varieties come in a spectrum of colors, from golden yellow and white to deep red and purple. Helichrysum species. See full list at monsteraholic.com. How to care for Helichrysum. Growing Helichrysum is a joy for gardeners of all levels. These low-maintenance plants thrive in well-draining soil and full sun to partial shade. Once established, they're quite drought-tolerant, requiring regular watering only during their initial growth stages. Deadheading spent blooms encourages continued flowering throughout the season, allowing you to enjoy their beauty for longer. How to propagate Helichrysum. Sharing the beauty of Helichrysum is easy. Propagation can be done through seeds or stem cuttings. For seeds, sow them indoors in early spring and transplant them outdoors after the danger of frost has passed. For stem cuttings, take a non-flowering stem, remove the lower leaves, and plant it in a pot with moist soil. Keep the soil consistently damp and provide indirect sunlight until roots develop. What to plant with Helichrysum? Helichrysum's vibrant colors and drought tolerance make it a charming addition to various garden styles. Consider pairing them with complementary plants like lavender, rosemary, sage, or ornamental grasses for a low-maintenance and visually stunning display. What does Helichrysum smell like? The aroma of Helichrysum is unique and complex. Often described as warm, herbaceous, and slightly honeyed, it carries a hint of curry or licorice. The scent is considered calming and grounding, making it a popular choice in aromatherapy. What is Helichrysum oil good for? Helichrysum essential oil, extracted from the flower heads through steam distillation, is prized for its potential therapeutic properties. Studies suggest it may possess anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and antimicrobial qualities. Proponents claim Helichrysum oil can be used for various purposes, including wound healing. Due to its potential anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, Helichrysum oil may aid wound healing by reducing inflammation and preventing infection. Skin concerns. Helichrysum oil's anti-inflammatory properties might be beneficial for calming irritated skin and reducing the appearance of blemishes. Muscle aches and pains. The oil's anti-inflammatory properties may offer relief from muscle soreness and discomfort. Stress and anxiety. The calming aroma of Helichrysum oil is believed to promote relaxation and ease feelings of anxiety. Important disclaimer. It's crucial to note that the effectiveness of Helichrysum oil for these purposes is not definitively proven by scientific research. Always consult with a healthcare professional before using essential oils, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are pregnant or breastfeeding. How to use Helichrysum essential oil. Helichrysum essential oil is highly concentrated and should never be applied directly to the skin. Here are some safe ways to use it. Diffusion. Add a few drops of Helichrysum oil to a diffuser with water to enjoy its calming aroma. Topical application. Dilute Helichrysum oil with a carrier oil like jojoba or almond oil before applying it topically. A 1% dilution, 1 drop of Helichrysum oil to 100 milliliters of carrier oil, is a good starting point. Always test a small area of your skin first to check for any allergic reactions. Bath. Add a few drops of diluted Helichrysum oil to your bath water for a relaxing and potentially pain-relieving soak. Is Helichrysum safe for dogs and cats? Helichrysum essential oil can be toxic to dogs and cats. Their smaller bodies are more susceptible to the concentrated nature of essential oils. Avoid using Helichrysum oil around pets altogether. How to make Helichrysum oil at home. While tempting, making Helichrysum essential oil at home isn't recommended. The process requires specialized equipment and expertise to ensure proper extraction and avoid contamination. Commercially available Helichrysum essential oil undergoes rigorous testing to guarantee purity and safety. Is Helichrysum poisonous? Helichrysum itself, in its plant form, is generally considered non-toxic for humans when handled appropriately. However, ingesting large quantities may cause stomach upset. It's always best to avoid internal consumption and consult with a healthcare professional before using Helichrysum in any form if you have any concerns. Does Helichrysum help spider veins? There's limited scientific evidence to definitively say whether Helichrysum oil helps with spider veins. While some proponents believe its anti-inflammatory properties may be beneficial, more research is needed to confirm this. Consulting a dermatologist is the best course of action for addressing spider veins. Is Helichrysum a perennial? The answer depends on the specific Helichrysum variety. Some species, like Helichrysum italicum, curry plant, are considered half-hardy perennials in warmer climates, zones 7 to 10. However, many Helichrysum varieties are treated as annuals, especially in colder regions. Final thoughts. Helichrysum offers a captivating combination of beauty and potential wellness benefits. Whether you're drawn to its vibrant blooms in your garden or the intriguing properties of its essential oil, there's a way to experience the wonder of this everlasting flower. Remember, while Helichrysum oil holds promise for various uses, consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating it into your routine, especially if you have any existing health conditions. With proper research and responsible use, Helichrysum can be a valuable addition to your exploration of the natural world's potential.